The distribution of 13,500 oil palm seedlings for replanting was done by YMCA in partnership with the Association of Small-Scale Agro-Producers in Nigeria, ASAPIN, under the African Activists for Climate Justice (AACJ) project with the support of Oxfam, Nigeria. Speaking during the flag-off distribution in Akwanga, Deputy Executive Director of Oxfam Africa, Mrs. Asalama Sidi from The Hague, Netherlands, lauded the choice of oil palm trees as a strategy to mitigate impact of climate change, saying it has numerous economic and health benefits to the society apart from the climate change adaptation impact. While lauding YMCA and its implementing partners for their resilience in the campaign for sustainable environment, the Oxfam African lead urged beneficiaries of the oil palm seedlings to maintain and sustain the campaign beyond the lifespan of the project for their own long-term benefits.
International NGOs are not permanent. We're not eternal. We are called to implement programs and close. So beneficiaries, as you have called them, they're the ones, actually they're the most important stakeholders, because they will be not only planting the trees, but they will be also taking care of these trees. So it's important they take care of these trees to show also other community members around Akwanga, about this project. So my call is for them to continue sustaining, to continue perpetuating the practice.
State Commissioner of Environment and Natural Resources, Kwanta Yakubu, represented by the State Coordinator of Agro-Climatic Resilience in Semi-Arid Landscape ACRISA Project, Dr. Napoleon Elias Jobe, noted that the project being championed by YMCA and ASAPIN confirms with the ACRISA mandate and expressed willingness to partner them to reclaim degraded lands in the state through aggressive tree planting.
When YMCA is winding up, we are showing all of you that ACRISA will take over most of these activities to see that everybody is involved in the business and to see how Nasarawa State will be a climate resilient state.
The Oxfam Country Director in Nigeria, Mr. John Makina, and the Nigerian Country Lead of African Activists for Climate Justice, Dr. Kenneth Akpan, both lauded the enthusiasm of the people towards the project and urged them to be vanguards of climate change advocacy in their communities and beyond. Representatives of the Chumada, Samson Gamuyari, that of member representing Akwanga, Nasarawa Egon and Wamba Federal Constituency, Jeremiah Umoru, National President of ASAPIN, Mr. Joshua Jonathan, Executive Secretary YMCA, Mr. Ango Adamu, and one of the beneficiaries, Mr. Anthony Maxson, lauded the international donors for the intervention and assured of sustenance.
You will recall that after our stakeholders climate change meeting last year, there was a call that community should be supported to plant trees. So they choose oil palm in particular because of its long-lasting lifespan. Also that trees will help combat climate change.
A total of 3,000 palm seedlings were distributed to 3 electoral wards of Gwanje, Ancho, and Bohar of Akwanga local government area, with similar distribution exercise expected in Nasarawa Egon, Kokona, Obi, and Lafia local government areas, respectively. From Akwanga, I am Gospel Ede reporting for MBS News.